Okay, '07 Chevy Impala, 3.5 engine. Was leaking transmission fluid, and Billy fixed that. But there's something else that has a problem on here. Come on, Billy, let's show this tire here. This passenger side.
2 fingers.
Using 2 fingers, and he wiggling his tire. Go ahead. Let me get it to the.
Like
Really wiggle.
that is.
Okay.
You can hear it.
That's going that way. Now the opposite way. Okay, this way.
Sideways.
Okay, let's look in here. Where's the light? While he shake that. Okay, go ahead. So that's a bad wheel bearing. Okay, this one here, he shake this one, nothing happens. So this here needs a wheel bearing on this side. Oh, I could really shake it too. You can hear it. So this wheel will fall off if it gets worse. So we're gonna get this together. Just don't have an ABS on there. So we get busy.